In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop or cancel instant deposits on Robinhood. Before we jump in, here's the key takeaway. Robinhood does not let you completely turn off instant deposits. If your bank is linked through Plaid and your account meets Robinhood's requirements, instant deposits are automatically enabled. That said, you can still manage them effectively by cancelling specific pending deposits or stopping recurring deposits. I'll show you exactly how to do both, plus share a few tips so you know what to expect. First, open the Robinhood app and sign in. From your home screen, head to your profile, open the menu, and tap Transfers. This is your hub for all money movements in and out of Robinhood. If you have a pending instant deposit you want to stop, look for it in the Transfers section, tap the deposit you're targeting, and choose Cancel. Timing matters here. You need to cancel before your bank processes the transfer. Robinhood may show a brief bank approval window, often around 30 minutes. If that approval notification expires before you act, the deposit won't complete. If you don't see a cancel option, it usually means the deposit has already moved past the point where Robinhood can halt it, so check early. If your goal is to prevent funds from being fronted automatically on a schedule, you'll want to stop the recurring deposit that's triggering instant deposit. From Transfers, go to Recurring Investments. Find the specific recurring deposit you want to stop, tap it, and select Cancel. This stops future automated pulls that would otherwise be instantly credited to your account when they're created. After you cancel a pending or recurring deposit, any new money you move into Robinhood will default to the standard bank transfer method. That means it won't be instantly available to trade and will take longer to clear, typically a few business days depending on your bank. While slower, this path bypasses instant deposit and gives you more control over when funds become available. A few final tips: check your transfers screen before market hours if you anticipate changes, so you catch that cancellation window. If you rely on recurring deposits to fund scheduled investments, pause them ahead of time to avoid instant deposit kicking in automatically. And always verify that the deposit shows as cancelled in Transfers so you know the action went through. That's it. You can't fully disable instant deposits, but you can cancel pending ones and stop recurring deposits to keep your funding on your terms.